Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add date and time to photos in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on App Store. Okay, then tap on search bar, search on date stamper. Okay, click on this option, scroll down, tap on this app, then click get. Okay, just wait few seconds, download it app. Okay, done. Then back home screen, click on this app, continue. Okay, allow, tap on camera. Okay, click on image, use photo. Select all. Okay, then back, then these photos is add date and time. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.